Today I'm going to have a talk to you about our graduate program. It's a very big, complex business which offers opportunities for growth across so many different disciplines, so many different professions within the organisation. And it's so well regarded by the organisation. We have senior executives competing really hard to grab these folks that run through the program to make sure they come back to their line of business at the end of their rotation.
Hi, I'm Lena Harvey. I am a graduate engineer working in rail in the systems engineering team.
My name is Ahmed Webby. I'm a graduate engineer for Downer in the infrastructure projects divisions working on the Runga Freeway upgrade.
There was more that I could do, and there's a lot of potential to actually grow in other areas as well, because Downer is a lot bigger than what I had initially thought.
Well, when looking around, I really wanted to work on somewhere with a diverse range of projects, and I think Downer fits that better than anyone. And with that comes a very diverse range of people.
What stands out to me about this program is the amount of opportunities and the networking interactions, and I've been able to travel a little bit and get to know people from different parts of the business.
We've had some new initiatives like the buddy program, where we get paired up with another graduate within our cohort, so we can kind of expand our network a bit. That I have actually really enjoyed.
So Downer has built its development opportunity around this concept of own your future. You take responsibility for your career, you take responsibility for where you finish up. Our philosophy around engagement, the sort of culture we want, is that everybody in the business is ready to leave, but they choose to stay. This graduate program is built around authenticity, and it develops the opportunities for people to be their authentic selves. And we want to make sure that we provide solutions and opportunities and scope to grow, fulfill your potential. That's what we're chasing.
To me, owning my future is knowing what I want to do and having time to experiment and to forge my own path.
You don't need to be so defined or so concrete in that ultimate goal. Be a little bit flexible and have a rough idea of where you want to go, and accept that, you know, it may not be ultimately where you want to be. It might change.
Hi, I'm Dean. I was a graduate in 2019. Did 2 years on the program and finished up in 2021. And now I'm an electrical engineer in our Rail and Transit Service division.
Hi, my name's Thomas Thibault. I'm currently a senior maintenance engineer at Downer. I previously graduated from the graduate program in February 2020.
So Downer's grad program gives you a really good opportunity to choose your own path. It is very diverse in experience and opportunities to network with different people.
Networking is probably one of the most powerful tools that I used during my graduate program, and I can say it's definitely paid dividends later on in my Downer career.